decided to focus this year's edition of the Plug and Play Italy Summit on the topic of physical AI. We're going to be exploring the physical AI stack, all the way from the foundation up to the industrial applications, with some of the very best entrepreneurs in this field who are really building the category-defining companies across all the stack.
Brain innovation is taking idea or knowledge from the brain and actually translating that knowledge guide us to build better engineering solution. Plug and Play network will play a really key role in actually democratize robotics.
Italy is very well positioned, so it has the manufacturing depth in the categories where physical performance is really important, and this is the kind of place where physical AI can really make a difference. With a few hundred samples here and there can start giving you insights does not exist in the world today.
High-performance computing helps E&I at staying at the cutting edge of the technology in its own industry, and also to unlock new possibilities and new opportunities for the energy transition. It was a real pleasure working with Plug and Play in identifying great innovators all around the world and to provide them access to our supercomputing facilities.
Working with Plug and Play means having a global team that can support us in any part of our journey. From Torino to the Silicon Valley, from London to France, we have been supported heavily across the full hour need at 360, so we're very happy to work with them.
Plug and Play offers us the opportunity to stay relevant at the forefront of innovation. One of the last projects that we did with them is a call for innovation in the field of the new materials.
Our multi-year partnership with Plug and Play is a cornerstone of our open innovation strategy, since it gives us access to the global startup ecosystem, but also to identify key investment opportunities. Thanks to the participation to the AI Center of Excellence in San Jose, we met Punch AI. It's a startup that supports us into understanding complex geospatial data through the usage of natural language processing.
Italy is an incredibly exciting ecosystem. You have massive players, and so founders have an incredible opportunity to build something that they can directly test out and pilot. On top of that, the Italian government has incentivized institutional investors to deploy more money into venture capital. So in my prediction, Italy will just continue to grow, bring more unicorns, especially in physical AI, and I'm very excited to be here today.